Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel C33, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at this device. So anyway, I'll just get straight into it. There we go. Now I should be able to get into it. So here we get some booklets. Let's heat at this side. Then we get the device with a case already applied to it. Some more paperwork. Earbuds, though these are wired, obviously. SIM eject tool. Charging cable Type-C. And, surprisingly enough, also a charger in this, if anybody cares, not very eco-friendly plastic. So there we go. Let's heat it up this side and get to the device. So on here we have a couple information. So we have a 6.8-inch HD Plus display. HD Plus means that it's 720, though not. It's a little bit of a, I guess, longer display instead of the 1080p by, not 1080, 720 by, what is it, 1200? No, it's a little bit more. What the heck was it? I don't remember. In any case, it's basically not standard 720p. That's how I could classify this. Now, we also have an octa-core processor, though it doesn't really specify what it is. Android, though it doesn't specify what. 8 gigabytes of RAM. That is actually surprising and pretty nice that we have 8 gigs of RAM, though again, probably as everything on this little pen flip is a little bit of a caveat, so I assume it's going to be using some of the 256 gigabytes of storage to make it into RAM. Now, the reason I put kind of these quotes here is because that's not really RAM. RAM is a fast storage type that basically is being accessed really quickly, and it needs to have serious speed behind it. It's not to store data. Storage, and the internal storage is to store data. You can't convert that into RAM and have the same kind of performance. So if this is using the actual 8 gigabytes of RAM, that's freaking fantastic. If it's converting storage, that's terrible. Now, next to that we have a 50 megapixel camera with also 5 megapixel. I'm assuming that's the front one in this case. We have also a pretty big battery at 5150 milliamps. We have Face ID. Again, just a front-facing camera to scan your face. We have a fingerprint sensor, which, oh, it's at the back. I was going to highly doubt that it's a under-display one, and I would have been correct because it's at the back. Now, to take that off, we do have this kind of leather look to it, so that is actually, I guess, vegan leather most likely, but it is not plastic, so that's surprising. It does feel really nice. We do have also engraved the Oukitel in it. This is literally engraved into it. It does feel relatively nice in hand. Now let's peel that off. There we go. The display also seems to be getting pretty bright considering it's blowing out the camera. So that's also a surprise. So the brightness here should be okay for outdoor usage. So there we go. So that's basically the entire device. Now I don't have much info about it. I can't really find much about it. So I have no idea what the actual internal processor here is, what the display type here is, though it looks like IPS LCD. So that's one. Now in terms of, let's see, it's running at 60 Hertz as well, so no high refresh rate. It is though on the bigger side and bright, so that's probably two good things. And obviously it's an Oukitel, so it's going to be pretty budget in terms of price. So it shouldn't cost you basically a liver for you to actually be able to buy this like some other devices. Anyway, so that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.